Don't say anything.
Hey, what happened to my money?
Yay, I made $20 cutting the neighbor's yard. I have $60 saved up so far. What? Who stole my money?
Listen carefully. If you love Satan, skip this video, but it might hurt your mom. If you love Jesus and mom, please click follow, like, comment, I love Jesus and mommy, and share. I will give you 3 seconds to make a decision.
Hey, get out of here. I'm kicking you out.
Whatever. I don't want to be over here anyways.
10 years later.
Hey, I'm back. I wanted to apologize to you and Dad. Dad isn't here anymore.